So day 7, you're building a 3D printer.
Yeah, learn pretty fast. So
I'm his assistant.
please meet my lovely assistant. She's very good at using
Oh, wow.
screwing in screws.